Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For today's card kit, I'm featuring the Hello Cupcake stamp set, but as in any other card kit, use what you got. I'm also going to be including the Be Mine stitched framelits hearts here for everybody's card kit. So remove the outline of the hearts and color the hearts to your liking. Now I've stuck everybody's hearts on some low tack painter's tape, and it's a little bit easier to find where the hearts actually go because they're all different sizes, hey? So some of them will fit into some of the different holes, but anyway, it's easier. I found it easier to just have them stuck on some low tack tape to color them where I wanted, and then I could do that die cut inlay technique kind of later on for the card design. So I'm using two different blends here, light and dark of Balmy Blue, Granny Green Apple, Mint Macaron, and Bermuda Bay. I've got 2 hearts per color about. And now I'm moving on to the embossed paper from the tin tile embossing folder. I have my sponges out and I'm sponging with Granny Green Apple, Mint Macaron, and Balmy Blue. And I'm just going around the edges because that's all I need. And I found a new way of opening my ink pads, so I'm pretty stoked about that. If you hadn't noticed, I don't get inky anymore. Yay! So I put some adhesive on the back of that piece, and now I'm adhering it to the Bermuda Bay card, and now I'm just going to lay the hearts where I want them. I'm going to take my good old Tombow glue and dot them in the middle. Now I've made a couple of colors here, colored them, but you're going to have enough supplies to make 2 cards, but you're only going to have this 1 strip of hearts. So make sure that, you know, if you chose to say, do the same colorway as I'm doing, then you probably could color all of the hearts and make 2 cards of the same colorway. But if you wanted to do some pinks or some blues or something like that, something different, just make sure that you're not, that you've halved the hearts appropriately because there's only one strip of hearts. But you can see what I'm doing here. I'm using like that inlaid technique, but I will be removing the outline, white outline hearts in a second. I just want placement, and it was just easier for me to do it this way. If you can eyeball it, then go ahead and eyeball it and use your outline on another card. So I'm just finishing up, adhering where I want my little hearts to go, putting them in place. Now carefully removing my outline. And now I'm going to use the Sprinkled with Love sentiment from the Hello Cupcake. Of course, if you wanted this to be a Valentine's Day card, you could use something else. I just like this one. It was nice. There is 2 different colorways of ribbon that I'll be using. This is the Balmy Blue version, but there will be a Granny Green Apple. Who knows? Hopefully I'll be able to put blue and green in for both, for everybody's card kit. Anyway, just tying the ribbon in a nice little knot, cinching it tight, trimming off the excess at a jaunty angle. And now I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of that focal piece, removing the release paper and adhering that square of paper right on our lovely little sponged background. Just adjusting that ribbon to where I like it and applying a little bit of fast fuse to the back of my card front. And here I'm just adhering it down, and that's the card kit for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.